Welcome back to Wrenching to Race. We've got a ton of stuff to do today, most of which we won't get done, but we'll try. And we're gonna make a great race car in the end. But here's an update. We haven't been able to do any wrenching lately because of life getting in the way and jobs and other things and traveling to Park City. Anyway, London, how's it going? London?
She's our Adrian Newey.
Yes. John's got a lot of parts to put on. We've got steering wheel adapters. We've got brake kits. We've got, what else? Oh, seat mounting, as well as tie rod removal and replacement. Right now, John's doing some work on the brakes. John? And we got some other stuff. So we got some really thin little spacers for the wheels. Once we get that on, we gotta address this hole at some point. That's for the ankle cooling device for the car. And then gotta get it lower because it's too high right now, John. It's very high. But I'm gonna start unpacking all of the electrical stuff, and my goal is to connect a wire today. So hopefully I can do that. Sounds like a win to me. I'll try and explain stuff that we're doing because, well, we don't really know what we're doing, to be honest with you. But comment in the comment section below and let us know what we're doing wrong or right.
Comments, tell us how much you love the silhouette shot.
Silhouette shot? Yeah, it's nice.
Oh.
How's that?
That's not silhouette at all.
That's not silhouette. These auto irises. I'm going to do this real quick because I got to get a win. I'm going to replace that with that one. This rib for her pleasure is not what we want. So we're just going to swap that out real quick. All right. It's going to be great. All right, so right now, I've laid out some stuff. This, hopefully we can use. I've checked all the wiring. These are all the wires that go to that. So we will have an alternator light. We'll have a gas gauge, water temp sender. May even be able to get the speedometer working. We'll see if it works with that. Gearbox, and we should be able to get a tachometer once I can get a tachometer signal out of the MegaSquirt. So these, which are super big, I got so that this is our main battery wire. It's probably twice the size it needs to be. This will go on there, and then that will go to the kill switch. This is all way bigger than it needs to be, but this is what we have. I guess I should have gotten 1 gauge instead of 0 gauge. I don't have a crimper that'll crimp this down, so that is yet to be done. Maybe I gotta go find a different one of these. Maybe 2 gauge, 1 gauge, maybe Amazon. So I'm gonna fast forward. I'm gonna work on putting the kill switch right here. So I need a piece of metal, then I'll weld in some tacks and get that mounted so we know where to run stuff to, and then I'll keep going. Yeah. All right, so I just got this guy mounted up. As you can see, it's perfectly welded on there. Amazing stuff. So we got one thing done. Still got to figure out how I'm going to secure that to that. And there's a whole bunch of other stuff in here, but we got one thing done. Now we got to just figure out how we're going to run all the other stuff and start mounting stuff. Right now, we're dancing, and we're gonna bend the mounting. What is this called?
This is control unit.
This is where the ECU.
This is central command.
Yeah, central command. Sure. We're gonna go all the way to 90 on it. Hopefully,
it doesn't break.
The bottle jack.
Aluminum is very brittle.
It could break. Good thing you have your safety glasses on. Safety first, especially when you're grinding, so the grinder doesn't go through your glove and into your finger. Hopefully we'll see this thing retract.
Ow.
Jesus Christ. You all right? This is going to go like this. 20-ton bottle cap. Let's see what we got. Heavy? We can cut holes in it. And that'll go in the car like this.
All right,
Let me mount there.
let's bolt her in.
All right, what I'm doing is I'm drilling holes in the plate that we're gonna mount the MegaSquirt on, and that's gonna go here and here, and I'm gonna mount riv nuts so I could just screw this on and off as I need to. And I have some stainless steel nuts for that. So I have to drill this out. So with the rib nut, you take it, load it on pliers thing, pop it in. And there you have the MegaSquirt mounted on the plate. Now I gotta figure out how I'm gonna mount the MGI. Gotta do this one now. And I guess I can just put some screws through it and then mount it up like that with some other stuff behind it. Well, right now I'm trying to mount some infrastructure, which will be the base of the control panel. And what I'm doing is drilling big holes so I can put riv nuts.
Looks like we're ready to mount some shit. You want to hold the shit up to the thing?
We gotta screw it from behind, but like,
That's what she said.
fucking love riv nuts. Oh my god. All right, so what we've done here is I did some riv nuts in the bottom into the wall. I'm a little off on this one. We'll have to make the hole in the aluminum bigger. But basically, we have like a shelf now. We could put liquor bottles, all sorts of stuff, and also mount the ECU and the fuse panel. That's it for today. We also did this. We got that hooked up. Very exciting. And then we went through the wires in the back of the car. And, you know, now we can start mounting stuff and running wires to a specific spot, which will help. That's it. We still got, as usual, a lot to go. But, you know, some concrete things were done. So I think we're fairly happy, and I'm about a half hour late. So, oh boy, gotta get on the gas. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, all that stuff. Thanks, bye.